In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unsubdivide a mesh in Blender. Unsubdivide works like subdivisions, but it's in reverse. According to Blender's manual, this feature is used to remove edges that were the result of a subdivide operation. I found out, if I use a subdivided mesh that is not a cube, the shape of the mesh itself would change. In some cases, unsubdivide didn't seem to work at all. This unsubdivide feature can be used to create interesting shapes by removing certain edges of a stable mesh like this. Ctrl-E shortcut works as well. The most interesting one occurs when we use a cylinder. I'll select the top face and extrude inward to create a cup mesh. This is very interesting effect that can only be made by using the unsubdivide feature. I have found I would get different shapes depending on how many times the loop cuts were added before unsubdividing the mesh. Also, we can certainly unsubdivide only some parts of the mesh like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.